Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites now, connect the wallet and pick the correct network, mainnet or testnet, because mismatches cause failures. Once connected, make sure you have enough gas or fees, typically 0.001 to 0.01 ETH or token equivalent. Insufficient funds halts the trade. Save the transaction ID and a screenshot immediately for troubleshooting. If you see a pending state, do not resend. Instead, wait a few minutes and check mempool status, because duplicate transactions make recovery harder. Once done with basics, diagnose the specific error. Read the message closely. Non-C mismatch, low gas, slippage exceeded, or contract revert are common causes. Use a block explorer to find the TX status and mempool to see if it's pending or dropped. That tells you whether to speed it up or replace it. Make targeted adjustments. Increase gas price to speed, correct the non-C if mismatched, and raise slippage slightly when tokens are volatile. These steps fix most mid-process failures. To finish, act decisively. If the transaction is pending, use the wallet speed up or cancel feature with the same non-C and a higher gas price to force resolution. If it was dropped, craft a new transaction with corrected settings, write non-C gas and slippage, and resend, then wait 1 to 5 blocks while monitoring. If problems persist, clear cache, reconnect your wallet, and retry. Lastly, contact platform support with your TX ID and screenshots, because human intervention can resolve edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.